A full-size washer and dryer isn't always a possibility. Whether it's a space limitation, lack of outlet, or ventilation restriction, it can be tough or prohibitive to install two separate units. And let's face it, laundromats are no fun. Having to lug your dirty clothes up and down the street is a major hassle for day-to-day living. That's why we created the EdgeStar CWD 1550 combination washer and dryer. This space-saving product is able to both wash and dry within a single drum for a versatile and efficient combination. The all-in-one unit is a ventless unit, which makes it perfect for homes and apartments without the capabilities or space for a dryer vent. It also offers a handful of features, including 13 different wash cycles, 5 temperatures and spin speeds, and 3 soil level settings, as well as a self-cleaning setting that can help reduce normal soapy buildup from standard use. This machine boasts enough spin power to deal with heavily stained clothing, yet offers the flexibility necessary to gently wash more delicate items. Easy-to-use controls feature a detailed LCD screen, an easy-to-use dial, and a customizable My Cycle function that remembers your most used settings. Since the EdgeStar CWD 1550 uses condensation to dry rather than air like a conventional dryer, the door automatically locks for your safety until the hot steam cycle is complete. The EdgeStar 1550 packs a ton of features into a single unit at an affordable price. We're very proud of the way we've engineered this machine and have incorporated invaluable customer feedback into making the best washer-dryer combo possible. However, we want to make sure that your expectations are met when you purchase a combination washer and dryer. Because the machine is ventless, clothes will not dry as fast or as completely as they would with a conventional dryer. After the drying cycle, clothes will still feel damp and will dry out in full with additional air drying. To help with this, we recommend two options: drying full machine loads in 2 batches, or simply washing and drying half full loads for an overall more efficient cycle. Despite this drawback found in all ventless combo units, the CWD 1550 is at the top of its class. Compact living doesn't have to mean giving up modern conveniences. Don't spend your Saturdays struggling with communal machines and piles of quarters at the laundromat. Give your home or RV a compact lifesaver in the laundry department and the freedom that comes with it.